Welcome to today's report, the 3rd of July, 2024. Right, today I would like to talk about Bitcoin. Is it at the bottom? And analyzing the signals from Coinbase Premium Index. Okay, I think this is something crucial and interesting. Interesting find. Okay, so the Coinbase Premium Index basically is a metric that measures the price difference of Bitcoin on Coinbase Pro compared to other major cryptocurrencies exchanges such as Binance or Bitfinex. Now, this index is a valuable tool for understanding market sentiments and potential trading opportunities. Now, this metric is particularly relevant because Coinbase is the largest exchange in the US, highlighting the significant influence of the US market on cryptocurrency price formation. Now, Coinbase is a go-to platform for most US-listed ETFs and even the foreign governments like Germany. When they decided to dump their Bitcoin, they actually used Coinbase to do that. Now, during periods of FOMO, if those are not familiar with the cryptocurrency jargon, FOMO here is fear of missing out. The premium positive meaning is it costs to buy more Bitcoin on Coinbase than on any other exchange. Okay, so conversely, during times of panic selling, the premium drops and turns negative, indicating Bitcoin is cheaper on Coinbase. So basically, like I said, when we're having a positive premium, that means Bitcoin is more expensive on Coinbase and vice versa. Now, currently, the Coinbase Premium Index suggests Bitcoin's bottom could be near or already in, as it is pointing to Bitcoin trading at significant discount. So this is an interesting development. Now, just to share with you how it looks like the Coinbase Bitcoin Premium, right? It looks like this. Okay. This is differentiate into the positive area and the negative area over here. As you can see, the premium is notably negative right now, making Bitcoin relatively cheap compared to other exchanges. And not only that, it is at its lowest at the current moment. Okay, so that's why I said Bitcoin is the cheap. So what can happen next? I want to share with you something. Look at now, historical data shows that whenever the Bitcoin premium drops to 0.2%, Bitcoin tends to rally. And how it looks like, look at these arrows right over here. I'm pointing to all the times when Bitcoin is below the negative 0.2%. Look here, here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and the times. Look, we can see from charts, right? This is in mid-January 2024. This is early part of February. This is early May. And then this is late May. Okay. So now this one, what's going to happen next over here? But what I'm going to show you are the times when we had all these bottoms. What actually happened to the charts? Okay, what really happened to the price of Bitcoin at those levels? So I'm going to put it now into chart format all these times, yeah? And you can, this is the result. Now, when it was near January, near bottom mid-January 2024, you see, it was near the mid-January is here. We are already near the bottom. So you push down a bit more, and that was the beginning of that whole bull trend, right? And then right now, here, early February, you can see after that, after the probably around the 4th, and it started pushing up. And then after that, early May, remember the beginning of May, that was another one here. And then the end of May was another one. End of May, it retraced and then started moving up again. So you can see that there is a correlation behind, and this is only in 2024. But if you look back in time, you would also see the same kind of results. exactly the same kind of results. That's why many Bitcoin analysts tends to use this to double check and to see, hey, okay, there's this possibility of Coinbase doing this. We are in oversold position and everything is cheap. So in the world trading, when it's cheap, buy low and then you sell high. That's what they try to do, right? Now, CryptoQuant Data reveals that Bitcoin's price premium on Coinbase has plummeted to levels rarely seen, with the last occurrence being October 2023, when Bitcoin was priced at 25,000. Okay, so we have had previous occurrence of such extreme situation shown in the what we call the Coinbase Bitcoin Premium, and that at that time it was 25K, and from 25K it went all the way to the 69K mark in the previous halving, right? So one thing's for sure, historically, such deep negative readings have often preceded significant rallies in the subsequent months. Now, considering several upcoming US-centric catalysts such as ETF flows, we are having that, monetary policy decisions, they're probably gonna cut rates going forward, and then after cutting rates, you know what's going to happen next. US will go back to the QE, presidential elections. You also know that right now President Trump, the ex-president Donald Trump, looks to be in the lead, and if he takes over, he gets re-elected, he has already said that he would want Bitcoin to be made in practically all Bitcoin stay in the US. So this is something pretty crucial that we shall see. So based on all these developments, history may repeat itself. And what history are we looking at is significant rallies in the subsequent months. Okay. So be on the lookout. We can see that there is a potential there for trading as well as investing. All right. Okay, so with that, that's the report for today. Let's move on to the charts.